Dear Graphic River user and customer, let me introduce the eye vision actions for eye improvement. It's easy to run these actions, you just have to make a selection of your iris. The easiest way to create a selection is to do it in the masking mode. You can open up the masking mode by clicking or hitting the shortcut Q, or just go to that symbol in Photoshop and click on it. Choose the brush tool and set the foreground color to black. Now select your iris. As you can see, there are areas of the eye and the face we don't want to get colored or to get an effect on. So just switch the foreground color to white and deselect these areas. So as you can see, this is my finished mask in the masking mode. Just stop the masking mode and you get the selection that the actions will work with. Now go to the actions palette, and when you have installed all action sets of iVision actions, you get an automatic action set, and Pro interaction assisted action set, and a Pro interaction action set. For presentation purposes, I will show you how the actions work in the automatic mode. There are two other modes, I will explain it later on. So we've made our selection, and just go to Coloration, run the action, and Photoshop creates an eye coloration layer. In this case, you could change the color, the hue, and the saturation, and just do it for your best result. I will choose some blue, saturation a bit down. Looks cool. You could combine the actions. For good results, just run the eye clarity action, and as you can see, the clarity of the eye improves by running this action. You could also add a shadow ring to the iris. It's a cool effect. As you can see, a shadow ring is created. By running an action, there's always a layer in the layers palette created that you can edit afterwards, or you can blend it out or blend it in as you like. There's also the possibility to run a black and white face action, so you can turn your face into grayscale. Just go to the action, hit the run button, and Photoshop does the rest. I think it's a cool result. If you choose you would like to have a gradient, just run the gradient action. Or if you would like to have a pattern overlay, just go to the pattern action and run. If you would like to remove all effects, just go to the remove all effects and hold mask action, run the action, and it's the condition of your image as you started, but the selection is still there, so you could run another action. There are three action sets. They combine some of the actions in a right way, so just run for a cool effect. For example, here is the eye clarity, gradient, and shadow ring action. I hit the play button and Photoshop does the rest. You get a cool effect on your eye. Let me introduce the iVision Pro interaction sets. They're the same actions like in the automatic mode, but there are breaks in the actions which let you improve the major settings. So I run iVision Actions Pro interaction. Go to, let's choose the gradient, for example, press the play button, and Photoshop asks you for the settings. I choose such a gradient, hit OK, and Photoshop always asks you what to do in the next step. Improve the edge, you could fit it to your belongings. That's it. There are also the Pro and the Action assisted actions. If you are not an experienced user, you can use these actions to get some help. For example, let's add some clarity to this eye. I run the eye clarity assisted action, hit the play button, and a dialog appears which explains what to do. Just hit continue and you will always get a description what you should do. There's always the description in there. Let's add the shadowing. And the assisted action always helps you through the action process. Add some black and white. And that's it so far. Hope you'll enjoy the actions, have fun with it, and see you.